Yo, what is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. This video is coming out pretty early just because I want to give a little bit of a warning slash update slash, I don't know, something to know what's going on before market closes instead of doing it after market closes. All right, guys. So first off, I'm on GameStop right now, just looking over the chart. It's not holding 200 anymore. We fell through a strong support at 200, and I think it is a mixture of things. One reason being that the earnings is going to come out. And people are worried, right? People don't want to take the risk in holding their position to see if the stock is going to drop or rise, right? So my best bet for GameStop, right? I'm just a guy, not financial advice. Don't listen to me. But my best bet for GameStop right now, over here you can see that the video game retailer is expected to post a loss of 67 cents per share on revenue of 1.12 billion. Perhaps more important than the results, investors will be looking for any clues about the company's transformation strategy. This is exactly what I agree with, right? Whether we have a beat or a loss, we're expecting a loss for GameStop. So on the bright side, if we have a loss that's not as bad as the 67 cents per share, that's already good, right? That's already good right off the bat. Now, more so focusing on what GameStop is going to do. Now, they've talked about how they're going to grow the company in different types of ways and get into the e-commerce and get into cryptocurrency. They're trying to transform. They gave us a little bit of hints here and there. They're trying to transform the company into something a lot bigger, like the broadest perspective. And I think, personally, the earnings announcement is going to be good in its own way, right? Some people won't understand it and may sell off. That is probably what you're seeing right here before it even comes out, right? But earnings is coming out today after market close around 4 or 5, and you guys should probably tune into this if you care at all about AMC and GameStop. Now, with GameStop out of the way, I want to hop over to AMC, right? We had this insane spike in the morning up to almost $50, $49.40, and now we're just hugging that $47 level of support. Now, we did close yesterday at above 47, and we're holding that strong, which is beautiful to see. Don't get me wrong, right? But our fourth touch on that $48.50 level, and we had a false breakout, right? This didn't even stay up here for more than 15 minutes, as you guys can see right here. So what are we expecting for this? Where are we going to go from here? Well, back down here, right, around this $36 level, we seen a touch on it, $38, boom, touch, and 2, 3, we didn't break, and then finally over here, the fourth test on it, we broke out the same day. Now, if we were going to see that, right? If we were going to see the same thing, we would see potentially what's happening here, the fourth test on this day and breakout the same day. So we would expect that breakout, if lining up with GameStop's earnings, to break out after hours, right? That is best case scenario. Now, worst case scenario, what you can see is GameStop's earnings fail, right? Earnings fail, we don't hold 47 anymore, and we take a dip, a little bit of an oversell back down to this $44. We're going to retrace back down to this $44 retracement level. What happens from there, right? We may trade sideways for overnight, maybe tomorrow. Probably less likely than honestly what's going to happen. Now, if we pop over here on the daily chart, you guys can see that we have a beautiful setup. And I did say this yesterday. I called out the major breakout, and I really thought we were going to see that this morning. We just almost tapped $50, and I thought we were gone, right? I thought we were gone for the day. Obviously, that didn't happen. We got hammered back down, and now we have a hammer candle, right? Completely sitting sideways, and we're taking another breather, and now I think this is a waiting game at this point to see where this is going to take us. Everyone's crossing their fingers. And honestly, I think once we get a volume spike, bulls are going to take more of the lead. Obviously, we already have the lead right now. But once we see a volume spike, right, we're going to see the bulls. Oh, I don't have drawings on. We're going to see the bulls take high advantage, right? So we have obviously this trend going for us. And if we are going to see anything happen, our next touch, if we are going to follow this trend, our next touch on 48.50 would be about this Friday, right? Now, Fridays aren't usually good, but if they are good, we are going to have Gamma carrying with us, and we're going to have a bunch of other things that are coming into play. So we'll move on from there. That is pretty much just what I wanted to throw out to you guys to give you update / warning / be ready. Also, Adam Aaron is going to be jumping on talking AMC very, very soon once this video goes up. Just hit that like button for me. Hit that subscribe button. Join the fam. There is a free Discord link in the description. We talk stocks and hang out. Join that, guys. I love you all. Abe, stay strong. Lottery Stocks out.
How we gon' get to this bag when we focus on gunplay, but trapping is all that we got. All of us gon' make it one day like church.